Hi, good evening. So today I will teach you how to use WEKA. But first of all, you must have the WEKA app. You can download it. Just search WEKA, and then there you click the first link, as you can see, and then you can see you can read it's getting started. You can click download. Wait for a while, and you can see there are some downloading applications, but we have a stable version. If you're using Windows, just click here. It is a hyperlink that since I have installed WEKA already, we can proceed now. So you can go to Google Scholar, click the first link. Let me just close this one because we have already downloaded the WEKA. We can search Edwin Arboleda. Excuse me. Okay, you can see his works. As you can see, there are a lot of articles that we can use on our data. We can gather data here to Sir Edwin's Arboleda. But since we have given our own data, which is this one, the coffee bean data set 80. Let me just delete this first. Excuse me. This is the data now. Then, next step, if you have a data, just open your WEKA, the WEKA 3.8.5. Just wait when it's opening. Okay, so the WEKA just opened. Just close it. And then for our first step, go to Tools and ARFF Viewer. Since when you're using WEKA, we are allowed to make our data a CSV or a ARFF file. So, file, let's just open. And as you can see, my data is at the desktop. Let's go to desktop and then file type CSV. No. We almost forgot that we must open the data first. Just wait for a while when it's opening. So now when it's opening, you can see the class. We have three classes. The Robusta. Here is the data given to us. Robusta, Excelsa, and Liberica. So now, the next step is we have to save as or make it a CSV file. Excuse me. Just wait. Sorry for my laptop because it was so slow. So now, save type. We must make it a CSV or the comma delimited. Save it on the desktop also. Then save. Okay, since we have the CSV data now, yes, just click yes. Since we have the CSV data now, we can proceed to the ARF viewer. Just open, click the desktop, CSV data files, and you can see the data that we have open is now on CSV form. Let's open. As you can see, there's the data we have to save as on the desktop also, ARFF file, then save. After that, we can proceed now to WEKA, the app. It is a native bird of New Zealand and a program by the University of Waikato. Let's go to the next step is we will go to the Explorer. Just wait for the screen. Okay. And then you can open one file. Go to the desktop. Open the ARFF file, and when you open, you can see the data. It's area, perimeter, equivalent, roundness, class, and you can visualize it by clicking the visualize all. So you can see the data on area, perimeter, equivalent, roundness, and class. So after that, we can now continue to the classify. On classify, we need to fold it by 4. Then we can choose some classifier. For me, I will choose the bias, then bias net. Then we can start. As you can see, there are correct classified instances of 223 with a 91.7695% and incorrect classified instances of 20 and 8.2305%. We can not only bias, but we can choose another classifier, the naive bias. We can start. So as you can see on IV bias, we have correct classified instances of 225 with a 92.5926%. Incorrectly classified instances, we have 18 and 7.4074%. Another, we can choose another one like bias multinomial text. Start. So as you can see, correct instances of 80, it's lower than the previous ones. 32.9218% and incorrectly instances of 163 or 67.0782%. Let's try another one. The naive bias updatable. We can start. So you can see correctly instances of 225 with a 92.5926%. We have incorrectly instances of 18 and the percent of 7.4074. We can choose again from functions. Logistics, we can try and then start. It builds some data of correctly instances of 198 and 81.4815%. And incorrectly instances, we have 45 with 18.5185%. Plus, simple logistics, as you can see, there are 198 and 81.4815% and incorrect instances of 45 and 18%, 18.5185%. You can see we have chosen the 5 year, and the highest one is the naive bias with 92.5926%. So this is very fast, so you can use the WEKA for your data. Thank you for listening.